welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn a simple kind of boring t-shirt like this into something a lot more jazzy. So I'm going to be doing quite a lot to one t-shirt, but it's really easy for you guys to follow along. No sewing involved. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors and a t-shirt. So let's get to it. So I thought I would show you guys what this t-shirt looks like before I start cutting it. So as you can see, it's just kind of a slightly, you know, loose fitting grey t-shirt. It's a lovely colour, a little bit boring, so we're gonna jazz it up with just a pair of scissors. So it looks like this, and then the back of it, again, just normal kind of t-shirt design. So let's get to it. So I hope you guys are ready to completely mutilate this t-shirt, because that's what we're about to do. So I'm just laying it out, so I've got the front facing me. So the first things I'm going to do is turn it into an off the shoulder. Now to do this, I'm going to cut along this seam here, but stop before I get to the sleeve seam. So it's about 2-ish inches. So I'm just going to cut down it and stop at the corner, just like that. So it should just open it up like that, and then I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. Like that. So it should look something like that. So that just means you can fold the top bits under a little bit and kind of put that across your shoulders. So I just thought I'd show you what doing that has done. So it's literally just turned it into a cute off the shoulder top. So you could leave it like this if you just wanted a nice off the shoulder, but I'm now going to do some slicing up of the t-shirt. But literally the 2 points of the neck, which are just there, I mean, they just fold under. They don't cause any issues, and the same at the back. So it's a really easy way to change the complete look of a t-shirt. And I think off the shoulder t-shirts are really cute. So yeah, I just thought I would show you guys, because you can stop at any step along the way of this process if it's something you'd like. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, so I've just kind of like folded over the points there, because it's going to be a straight neckline now. So I'm going to be doing slits going from kind of just before the sleeves start down into a triangle. So almost like it's a V-neck, but it's not a V-neck. You've got threads going all over it, and it will come, you know, probably lower than a V-neck as well, but I just kind of wanted that stripy look, but it's not stripes, it's bits of t-shirt, basically. So let's just start. So I'm going to start by just making a snip. Make sure it doesn't go through to the other side. If you're worried about cutting through, put some cardboard underneath, just to make sure you only cut one side of the t-shirt. Otherwise you'll be having not much t-shirt left. So I'm just cutting one side of the line towards the edge there, and then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So with these lines, they don't have to be perfect because they'll kind of roll up, but I'm going to get them to go slightly smaller as it goes down. So they're kind of going to go into like a point kind of thing. So if you watch, you'll see it create. This is what it looks like currently. I'm just going to extend my second one a little bit, just so I can get a few more lines in, I'm thinking. So let's just now extend this one. Just because I wanted a few more strands in that, I think. But that's the thing, always cut less, because you can go back and cut more, whereas you can't like necessarily fix it if you cut too much. That's kind of the rule I go by. So let's just do this. Let's cut me one more at the base like that. Perfect. So that's the neckline kind of done. So I just wanted kind of something a bit fun rather than just like a plain t-shirt. So when I put this on, I'll decide if I then want like more, but I'd rather do less first. So then the next thing I'm going to do is the sleeves. So let's do this sleeve first. So I want kind of, if it's off the shoulder, I kind of want horizontal lines going up here as well. So I'm just going to get the sleeve equally pinched. So I'll zoom in for you guys. So you can just see both sides of the sleeve here. I'm just going to put them together. And I'm just going to kind of cut into the sleeve. I'm just going to, on the sleeves, you're cutting both sides of the t-shirt. And I'm going to get them to go slightly smaller as I go up. Kind of like that. So they're just kind of little things there. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to count how many I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's now do that to this sleeve. I nearly cut it the wrong way. Make sure you think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. So that is the t-shirt done. So let's see what it looks like on and see if anything else can be done. This is how it looks like, and I'm actually really happy with it. I love the sleeves. I mean, that's turned out really cute, I think. I think the neck, it could be a little tidier, but I think it's cute nonetheless. And I think because I've done it on a baggy t-shirt, I might like tie the side of it. Let's have a look, see if there's enough. You might have to cut it to tie it. I have done a tutorial on how to do that. So I think it will look cuter as like a croppy top. There we go. Okay, I can tie it. It's a good sign. Yeah, I think like that I like it. So it's just kind of a really cute, you know, off the shoulder, a bit like rugged. So I might just tidy up this one. So I'm just going to cut off the little bumps, so bear with me. I've just tidied up this strand a little bit, just because it had like the top bit of the t-shirt on it, and I just think it looks a bit nicer, more like universal, the thickness. But I actually really like it, and you can put like one side up and have them diagonal, or you can do the other side. It's a very like, however you want to wear it kind of top. But I think it's very cute with jeans. I thought this was going to be a lot more revealing. Like I was worried I was going to like cut these stripes all the way down the t-shirt. But I think this is really cute. I really like the sleeves. So no, I definitely think there's potential with this design. I think it's a lot cuter than what it was as just like a plain t-shirt, but I think I need to tie it in order for it to work. But let me know what you think. So that's the finished look. I mean, it's really sweet. I like the off the shoulder look. I do. I think I need to put my hair up to fully feel it. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually kind of love how it turned out. Like the more I wear it, the more I love it. It's just something a bit different, but I think with jeans, you know, tied like a crop top, it's actually just really cute. Like I just think it's really cute. Yeah. So it was a success. So I hope you guys enjoy making your own. It's been a lot of fun for me. Let me know any future ideas you've got for any other videos you'd like me to make. But thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.